Sammy, you got another car. Are you kidding me?
I love fast cars, but I'm running out of parking spots.
Don't worry, buddy. It's easy to fix.
What do you mean? Have you got a plan?
I sure do. We'll make a racetrack with lots of parking.
Wow, amazing! You'll need this.
Nice. Thanks, Sammy. This is exactly what I need. Let's do this. We need a long curve for the track, like this one.
Let's cut it out now.
Good thinking.
Holy cannoli, what a thing!
How's it looking? We need something else.
How about a barrier? My cars are pretty fast.
Ah, good idea, Sam. Every racetrack needs barriers. There we go. I'll do the same on the inside, too. We'll have to stick all the pieces together.
Less talking, more working, Roger.
Haha, okay.
We're going to need a lot more track.
Whoa! Nicely done, buddy. Now let's put it all together.
A giant donut!
I don't think you'd want to eat this, Sam. It might be a little chewy. Now we need to make supports to hold the track up. We don't want it to fall down when those fast cars are zooming around. This should do the trick. Let's add them to the track. I'll slide it underneath and then stick them in place.
Roj is a genius. Whoa, let me see. Whoa, this is great. It's going to be better than I ever imagined. I'm going to be like a real-life racing driver.
You sure are, Sammy. Every good racetrack needs a fast chicane. A chicane is a sharp bend in the track. It really challenges the drivers, you know. Well, take a look at this. It's pretty cool, huh? I'm going to make it an elevated track. All of Sam's cars will be able to see the ground zooming by below. But we need more supports for the track. What do you think, Sam? Do you like it?
Where's the road? I can't drive on this.
Relax, it's not finished. We'll build the road. We just need to attach the supports to the underside. That's perfect. We need a way to get up to this section too, and I have just the thing. But first, we need to add some glue. Now, we can add a ramp. We should probably test it out. What do you think?
I'll do it. Here, I've brought my skateboard.
No, Sam! You know the rules.
Spoil sport.
Remember, this track is for cars only. What's next?
Hey, that reminds me of something. Delicious pizza. That would be awesome right now.
Yeah, it would. Why don't we order pizza when we're done? We deserve a treat after all this hard work. And now check this out.
Whoa, it's amazing. So cool. But what is it?
It's a swing bridge. This will help it move. See? This is what I meant. This track gets better and better.
Cool, we need more bridges.
Hey, this is pretty good, Sam. I've got a mini bridge for it.
Make way, Roger. Ta-da! So how did I do with it?
You did great. This track is gonna be epic.
This is exciting. I can't wait to play with it. Who knew Roger was so good at designing racetracks?
Is that a compliment? right here, Sammy. That's the first stage of our racetrack done.
Whoa, it looks amazing! It's going to be so fast!
I surely hope so, Sammy.
It'll look just like a road. I can't wait any longer.
Haha, you need to be patient.
Patient? Me? Come on, Roger. You know that'll never happen. So, is it ready? Please, tell me it's ready.
Not yet. There's still a lot to do, Sammy.
Ugh, I can't wait to drive on that fresh tarmac. Ugh.
I know, buddy. Trust me, your cars will have a smooth drive on this.
Look, I'm a car. You know, maybe I'll take you for a ride when we're done.
You drive too fast for me, Sammy. Well, the road is done. Let's decorate the rest.
Yay! This is for the barriers. It'll be nice and bright.
That's right.
Hey, let's speed this up with some video editing magic. Whoa, how did I do that? I surprised myself at times.
Ha! Just don't give away all our secrets, Sammy.
Okay, what's next? I'm full of great ideas.
We'll cover the outside.
Yay! Whoa, it's so colorful. Nice choice of colors, Roger.
This is a tricky part. It needs to be precise. Steady.
You can do this, Roger. I believe in you.
Thanks, buddy.
I cut more card for you. Duh! It's out of control.
Are you okay?
That card had a mind of its own. Whew, I was thinking we could make all the bridges white. It'll make them really stand out. Here you go.
This will work.
Brains and beauty? I'm the full package.
You're so modest.
Boom! Oh, you missed a spot. Don't worry, I've got it. Wow, Roge makes it look so easy. He's a natural.
The other bridge needs to be covered, Sam.
My fabulous design skills will take care of it. Give me a second. Wait, that should do it. I suppose I better do the other ones as well. Easy peasy.
And I will add strips to the supports.
Wow, that will really add to the motor racing feel. Oh, I can't let Roger do all the hard work. This might help do that faster. Hey, Roger, check it out.
Let me see that. Hey, this is a much better idea. Why didn't I think of this earlier? It looks amazing. This is so cool.
I know, and it's all thanks to me. You're welcome.
Wow, now this is what you call a racetrack, right? Next, we'll have to paint lines on the road.
The only lines I get are in detention at school.
Not those kind of lines, Sammy. I mean, like this.
Whew, that's a relief. I was getting worried there for a moment.
Come on, come on!
Roger, what are you doing? Can you believe this, everyone? He doesn't have a driving license. Duh!
Sorry, Sammy.
Now you say sorry, huh? Unbelievable. There's only one thing for it. I'm going to need this plant. Ugh. Hey, you, I'm serious.
Okay. Give me that plant.
Now you're talking.
We can put it here and add some more greenery.
It looks good, but this isn't enough. Keep them coming, Roger.
You've got it!
And this goes here.
Here's one more.
Whee! Look what I found in my toy box. Stickers. This will take our track to the next level.
You're right, Sammy. This will point the cars in the right direction. How about some stoplights? We can put them here.
Stoplights? Ah, this track is for going fast. But okay, I don't want a speeding ticket. Let's try the track out. It's time for a test drive. Whee! Oopsie, I guess that was too fast.
Here's a parking spot.
It doesn't get any better than this. Wait a second. Wow, Roger installed lights. So cool. This is the best day ever. I'm so happy right now.
It's about to get a whole lot better, Sam. Check this out. I have these special cars. Want to try them?
Yeah, let's see what they can do, Raj. Go for it. Yay!
Let's go.
Whoa, it's so fast! Thanks, Roger. I've got somewhere to park my cars and race them. Whee! It's amazing!
No problem, Sammy. It was really fun, right?
Yeah, but speed racing will be even more fun. What do you say, Roger? Up for the challenge?
Bring it on.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, folks.